In this video, I will show you how to turn on night light mode display screen on your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you come down below right here. Make sure you go to your start menu, right? Click on your start menu, go ahead and click on settings right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to system right here. Under the system, go ahead and proceed to display right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead, you have night light mode right here. Simply turn on this particular button right here and you are done. With this, it's going to protect your full brightness display on your Windows PC without any stress. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular feature, display and brightness settings of Windows in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.